go to find Florida's best stripper. We are in the middle of nowhere, hitting the detours. All kinds of goodies. But I promise you, it's worth it. You'll see. Alright. We made it to Florida's best stripper, and it ain't what you thought. Metal stripping, not women. How long does this stuff stay clean after you've done it? How quick do you have to coat it?
It's been up there for 2 years. It's got a bunch of rust on it, but a lot of moisture here too.
Yeah, well, we do have a humidity environment, so. But 2 years, it's got a little surface rust, but nothing you couldn't knock off with a little scuff brake. How recently was this one done?
That one was done Monday this week.
Monday this week. Today is Thursday, by the way.
So you get a few weeks with it as long as you don't have rain and handprints and
So
sweat droplets.
When this gets back to the owner, could it go? It's washed off and ready to go epoxy, or does it need to scuff it?
Scotch-Brite at least. Wipe it down with lacquer thinner. Make sure the tape will stick to it, and then your primer will stick. You can go all the way to a DA, 80 grit, 120 grit, 240, whatever.
Because like they say, when you put OSPO down, you've got to use, you got to really wash the stuff off.
Yeah, OSPO is a little different. This is all water-based. There's technically nothing there other than just a real tiny chemical, but you got more dust than anything is the problem.
Gotcha.
It's like a magnet when it comes out.
Oh, it's a magnet, a dust magnet. So just
Yep.
just like any other metal prep, they just
lacquer thinner,
get it dust free. Cool.
Biggest thing is the tape won't stick, then the primer won't stick. So.
Ah, okay. So you got to give her a little bit of wash down in the tooth. Okay. Well, I guess I'll be back in a few days. We made it to the stripper, and this is not ours. It's a Mustang they did. It turned out quite nice. First, they take the paint off of it, and once the paint's all done and everything, they put it in the derust procedure. It turned out pretty darn good. I don't know what this one looked like when it was brought in, but this one's actually a really nice body. It's down to clean, but there's the tank they dip it in right over here. So they got that big crane there, and they drop that in that tank and do all their magic in there. And look how that metal turns out on there. It's shiny. It has a shine to it. So it's not just an electrolysis process, but it's kind of got another agent that gives a polish to that metal. And it doesn't flash rust immediately either. It stays really nice for a fair amount of time. As a matter of fact, he told me that they've got a Chevelle up here that's been done a couple of years. Up there on top, there's a Chevelle, and he tells me that's been a couple of years like that. It's just a tiny amount of flash rust. I imagine that Volkswagen's been done about the same amount of time too, but it turns out real good. Last time I was here when I was dropping off, it had the Chevy truck cab, and now it looks like it's got it in epoxy. Quite a nice base for that epoxy, but if you look inside here, you'll see how everything is just clean. No residue, no stuff. Just really nice. Check out these fenders. This must be for that. That must be everything for that Mustang over there. Quite nice. I imagine I'll be bringing the truck cab back over here after I save up money. Yeah, he does engines as well, blocks and things. I've seen he's got a nice little price list. Axles, blocks, etc. And here's the hood. We'll be loading this hood up momentarily. And it turned out really nice. I'm very happy with it. Yes, I had the braces done as well. And being that this truck's really nice anyway, it's just beautiful. Acidity from the hands and shit. Just thinking, you know. There. I got it. What do you want me to do? Just grab this other side. So I'm going to walk across the trailer.
Oh, okay.
Just hold that up so I don't drag it. Oh, yeah.
At least this hood's got those nice handprints in the front, right?
Yeah. Just got back from the stripper, and the results on that hood are really good. And you may ask yourself, hey, that sounds great, but it's expensive, right? Well, you figure in the cost of a gallon of stripper, and let's not even talk about the time you're going to spend stripping it. Then that does nothing for any rust on there, surface rust, anything like that. Check this out. $262.50. Not too bad. You could get it sandblasted. I don't know. It might be cheaper, it might be more. But then you've abraded the whole surface of the metal, and it's prone to getting flash rust real fast. Where this, apparently this can sit around for a while and not get flash rust, even in a humid environment like we're at here in Florida. If you want to check this place out, look at their price list. It's all online on classicautostripping.com. The whole body's going to cost a fair amount, but just single panels are not bad at all. Rather affordable. And this hood has a lot of little crevices and nooks and crannies and stuff to clean out, so that was going to be quite a while. So check them out if you need to get any auto stripping done. I'm out of here for now. Y'all have a good one.